The increase of temperature and CO2 in the ocean is having consequences, and many small island nations such as Kiribati rely on the ocean for their economy and well-being. The process known as ocean acidification, which is related to the increase of CO2, is a threat to many, and one ecosystem greatly impacted by ocean acidification are coral reefs, which are located along the coast of many small island countries like Kiribati. More mass bleaching events have been seen around the globe over the years. Bleaching is deadly to coral as the algae leaves the polyp due to stressors such as an increase in ocean temperature, which gives the coral its white look. The small nation of Kiribati is no stranger to coral bleaching events. Unprecedented bleaching events have been studied in the Phoenix Islands, with nearly 100% more coral mortality in the lagoon and 62% mortality on the outer leeward slopes of the otherwise pristine reefs of the Canada Atoll during 2002 to 2003. Islands such as Kiribati are vulnerable to these events because island coral reefs have limited defenses against thermal stress and acidification. However, different species of corals have a better chance of survival and recovering from bleaching events than others. The loss of these reefs will be felt by communities and environments surrounding them in multiple ways. First, these reefs serve as a natural storm barrier, protecting the island from large storms and an increase in sea level rise. Also, the diversity of species that coral reefs are home to is large, and islands such as Kiribati rely on these reefs for fisheries and tourism to support their economy, as they are already a small population. The loss of these reefs could mean a potential loss of human life, as poor nations such as Kiribati have limited food sources. The only real hope for small nations such as Kiribati is that through awareness and conservation that we can slow down the addition of CO2 into the atmosphere, which will give the coral more of a chance to survive and reproduce. It is interesting to see, though, that in Kiribati that projects have been begun to move populations of people closer to areas where healthier and larger coral reefs stand, as there will be more resources such as fish to eat.